Hello, my name is Bruno Chaves, and today I'll be presenting a bibliographic research done by me and a few of my colleagues from the University of Brasilia, Brazil. The bibliographic research consists of correlating topics from the production engineering sphere, the social and environmental sphere, and the electrical engineering sphere, since electrical engineering is the course my colleagues and I do on the university. The topics chosen from production engineering are project management and supply chains management. To talk about a topic, however, it is important to define it. And here we shall use the PMBOK definition. PMBOK being, of course, a very important book and a very influential paradigm. PMBOK defines project management as the application of knowledge, skills, tools and techniques to project activities to meet your requirements. Of course, a very important activity on today's projects. And PMBOK also defines supply chain management as planning and management of all activities associated with internal and inter-organizational logistics, as well as coordination and collaboration among all partners in the chain, be they suppliers, service providers, or consumers, which is of course a very important activity on today's interconnected world. The topic chosen from the social and environmental sphere is sustainability, which is of course a very hot topic in today's world, since it is of major importance for our continued survival on the planet. The most accepted definition of sustainability is development that can meet the needs of the current generation without compromising the ability to meet the needs of future generations. That is, development that does not deplete resources for the future. Of course, very important. And lastly, we also have here the subject of electrical engineering, here defined as the application of the phenomena of electricity, electromagnetism, and electronics, where it aims from the production of electrical engineering, as well as the manufacture of electronic products, electrical circuits, telecommunications, and control of industrial processes. Our bibliographic research comprises of finding works, articles, and papers that correlate topics from the three spheres that we just talked about. We have here a diagram describing the methodology of our work. We make posters, one poster and then the second poster. We correlate these 6 topics, 3 at a time. These 3 topics are productions management, sustainability, and electrical circuits first, and then production chain, sustainability, and electrical engineering as a whole. Then we make a final report, which is this whole poster, and we make a video synthesizing what we have learned, which is of course the part where we are at now. First and foremost, here we have a graph detailing the topics touched by our research. We see that engineering and computer science appear first, indicating that these 2 areas are particularly concerned with sustainability and sustainable solutions. We also have obtained the number of publications by country. We see that the United States, always a giant, appears first, to no one's surprise. We also see that China and India appear with a heavy presence, which is a symptom of their rising positions on the global scale. After these 3, we see other, mostly first world countries. Unfortunately, our country, Brazil, does not appear in presence, which is a shame, since Brazil is one of the countries with the most natural resources to be protected, and one of the largest countries in need of a good supply chains management. Even though we make our mark with regards to sustainability in the chemistry and biology departments, it appears that not so much in engineering. We see below the keywords found in our research. The bigger words are, of course, the search words that we have chosen. We have here, for example, sustainability and management. We also see neutral words, such as projects and products, but also we have more interesting words, such as integrated, which makes sense since integration is a major word in today's technological vocabulary and is the tendency of many rising technologies. One last piece of data that we have obtained is the journals that most published works regarding the chosen topics. They are Progress in Quantum Electronics and IEEE International Symposium on Electronics and Environmental ISEE. IEEE, of course, always present, being such an important organization. In conclusion, we see that many publications are made on these topics, and the countries that most publish it are the United States, China, and India, three big technological giants. Brazil has fewer publications, but may find its way eventually. For human society to advance and thrive, works that correlate sustainability and technological and administration are paramount, and it would be good to see more publications in this sense.